Okay, I'm just opening this up here to let them out. And they're going in with these two birds here. And I don't anticipate any problems because these are very timid birds and they haven't got a flock. Well, the lavender does. Oh, as soon as I said that, the lavender does, but she's got a sore leg. And I think that they'll be all right. And there's some more keets coming in this afternoon. And there's one still in the cage. And then everybody else, they'll live in here for at least a month. Possibly longer. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. I might put a stick in that water bucket. And I've got to give them some crumble. There's this little box, lots of little, that feed bag was around it to waterproof it. It's kind of up, so it was up, it's supposed to go on top of it, it's now under it. It's like a little waterproof shelter, but we've got like this tarp that I can totally close over the whole thing. And yeah, so they're home. So I want to get the other keets in this afternoon so that they're all introduced very quickly. Yeah, so Betty White's the only... I can't see her being a big problem. She's just letting them know I'm the boss. But she's limps around, so I want her locked up. And she's slowly getting closer to this brown girl, the older girl. So they've got friends, they're all curious. And you'll see the other keets that are coming this afternoon. So it's all very exciting. They look healthy, but I'm going to give them this crumble with a natural anti-diarrhea thing in it. It's herbal.